Hi, I'm Christine Dunbar from SpeechModification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. In this video, we'll learn about one way the letter L is pronounced at the ends of words. Want to sound American? You can do it. SpeechModification.com. Listen to these words: little, Seattle, people, example, beautiful, special, possible. In words like these, the letter L is a syllabic L. A syllable is usually made up of a vowel sound with or without a consonant sound before or after, or both. For syllabic L, the consonant is the whole syllable. It sounds like ol, ol. If you think of it as starting on vowel schwa, and moving quickly to the final L sound, you'll get it. Ol, ol. Be careful not to use the light L from the start of words when L is at the end. Listen to the difference. First I'll say it the incorrect way with a light beginning L, then the correct way with the American dark L. Little, little. Syllabic L is usually an unstressed syllable after a consonant sound at the end of the word. Let's try saying a few. Able, animal, people, little, beautiful, possible, bottle, Seattle, simple, special. For more help with the L sound, check out my free practice site, SpeechModification.com.